See these sign spinners on the street corners, right? Flipping around, getting to buy a burger or a sandwich. But one local company is taking it to a new level.
Yeah, Courtney, live in Yuba City, where this company builds lifelike robot sign dancers. Courtney, you kidding me?
Wait.
Can you tell which one I am? Do I blend in?
Are you the long-haired blonde?
Are you the Caucasian dude?
Oh, I see you now. I see you.
Once you started moving, you gave yourself away.
These are the Sign Dancer Pro robots, and this is exactly the kind of thing that these guys build here. Basically, the idea is that you can have any kind of exterior that you want, however you want it to look. And then, but the basic robot itself is built all the same, and that over there is where they start putting those robots together. Over here, we've got Herb. Come on over, because Herb's going to introduce us to the robots that we have here. And incidentally, yes, we will have them dance for you. But first, we got to show you exactly what's inside these guys. There is some serious welding and putting together going on over here.
Yes, there is. Everything's made out of metal, so then we have just a battery-operated motor on it, so it takes a 4-hour charge and goes for 12 hours.
Okay, and that was going to be my next question, because these robots that you see out on the streets, and when I say robots, the actual humans that have the signs, they can only go for a few hours. It's hot, you know, in Sacramento during the summer, so they got to take breaks and all that kind of stuff. So the idea is that these robots maximize the amount of time and advertising that companies get, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
So get it, 12 hours out of them per day, so they work 7 days a week.
Okay, so they all go on a stand of sorts. So the robot itself, you said it's just got one motor?
Yeah, just one motor on it, so and that'll move the arms for the unit, makes it look lifelike.
Yeah.
Which was the whole idea.
Very lifelike. All right. Well, let's slide over here and take a look at these lifelike robots. Okay, let's introduce them from left to right. Incidentally, the last one you said we get to name ourselves, right?
You get to name this one, yes.
Okay.
So this
so this is who?
This is Chad.
Chad. So if you're looking for the tall, debonair man to hold your sign, Chad would be the way to go.
That's right.
Okay. Now, next to Chad, we've got the Wonder Blonde.
Right, Supergirl.
Supergirl. Now, as far as the costuming and things like that, does that come with the price of the robot?
Yes, we'll do them any way that they like. They can have male or female, and then they can have it set up any way that they like for their business.
Very
so
cool.
We've done some for Papa Murphy's, Mr. Pickles, some of the cell phone companies, so yogurt shops, jewelry stores, things like that. So,
fantastic.
Yeah.
And next to her, we've got the knight. So that's like you were talking about, you can do the costuming. A knight with a cigar. That's a large stogie. That is a large stogie. Okay, now next to the knight, we have an unnamed robot.
Yep.
And you said that we can, okay. That's ours. Okay, so you guys back there. Now, I'm just looking at the robot itself. Just from the hair, I feel like I want to call her Rita. What do you think? What name shall we give this one?
I did notice.
Her name?
Yes.
I'm going to say
Felicia.
She looks a little Barbara Streisand, 77.
Your
Babs.
Misty.
I was going to give her your alias name.
Looks a little bit like Weird Al Yankovic, too.
Curly?
Did you say, what'd you say, Misty? Is that the first
Misty?
one you said? Oh, Misty. Okay. We can do Misty. I still feel like it's a Rita. I don't know.
She does look a bit like a Rita.
Choose.
Yeah.
You like the Rita? Okay,
we
so
like
we'll go with
Rita. Okay.
How about
We're
Divine?
going to call this one Rita. Okay. Okay, so coming up in the next hour, I know you're wondering, what does it look like when a robot flips? Softball, baby! What does it look like when a robot sign dances?
Yeah.
Stick around. We will show you. You got to stick around to the next hour to find out.
Hey, Cord, did you know one of those robots filled in for me?
When?
I got
That
proof.
guy right there, Chad?
I'll show you.
No, the blonde.
He'll be on Mark at the Movies this weekend.
Exactly. That's what you need. Now that would get you another Emmy.
There you go.
Right now.
Don't you guys remember I was gone one time? You guys put a monitor on the head of one.
You did.
Oh, that's right.
For more info on Sign Dancer Pro, you can call them at 530-923-0880. We've also linked their website to ours. Go to gooddaysacramento.com, click Show Info at the top of the page.
And we're back! Hey, welcome back.
Yes, we are. Hey, for bosses, they're the best kind of employee. One, you plug in and it does your bidding without question.
I'm saying, you may have seen them on the side of the road, sign dancers, the robotic ones. Courtney's seeing how they're made, and also an example of how they filled in for us one time here at Good Day.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so do you have video of that, how they filled in for you, I guess, that one time?
Yeah, do your thing. I'll pull it up in a second.
Okay, all right. So first off, take a look over here. This is where they are actually put together. These are the guys over there doing the welding to put the robots together. It's not easy. It's not easy to get a robot to do what you need with a sign. So it takes a little craftsmanship. I think they average maybe right now about 4 to 5 robots a month. But if you take a look out here, you can see the robots that are actually moved. Now again, that's Chad. We've got Supergirl here in the middle. and then we've got our knight right there in the middle. Now you're probably wondering, why is Rita not twirling? We'll explain that in just a second. But that music that you got in the background there, we're gonna do a little challenge, okay? So an average signed person, like a human being, needs, you know, a break after about 2-4 hours.
Oh, at least depending on how hot it is or cold.
Right. And about how much do you think they earn an hour?
I'd say the average is $8 to $10 an hour.
$8 to $10 an hour. Okay. And so these guys cost how much? These robots?
They're $3,000 to buy, $750 a month to rent.
Okay. So, you know, you do the math.
Yeah,
It
no
may
kidding.
be, and I'm not trying to take anybody's job now. I'm not doing that. But
Right.
it may be a little more cost effective to have one of these guys. But we're gonna do a little field test, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna be the human sign twirler. I'm
Okay.
gonna twirl my sign.
Okay.
We'll find out how long it takes me to mess the sign up, whereas the robot will hold it the whole time. Okay, you ready? I need some music. Turn it up. Crank it up.
I'm concerned about the knight. It doesn't appear to be holding the sign.
It's not as fluid there, Court.
You haven't dropped it yet. Graceful. Smooth. But it's good, Courtney.
Nice.
But I missed the consistency
I'm
of the
hanging in there.
robots.
Yeah.
But I'm telling you right now, I need a break. I'm done. These guys are not done. Hey, real quick, can we pack Rita up? Because I understand that Rita is very compact. Go ahead and pack her up.
Okay.
We're going to put her in the trunk. As we give you more information, again, just go to the website, gooddaysacramento.com.
You're gonna put her in the
and you'll get more
trunk?
details about Sign Dancer Pro.
You can't do that to your employees without paperwork being filed.
Exactly. You can't do that with your employee. Look at how quick that
look at
is.
breakdown.
Bam, bam.
She's like a
Goes right in the
Samsonite.
trunk of your car.
Pack her up,
You
take
can
her
pack
with
up
you.
your sign twirler for the night.
Exactly.
Love it.
That is
Time to
awesome.
go.
Hey, Court, I got the video. If you take a look at my computer, when you guys sent me to Rio, we actually had one of the robots filling in for me when you guys sent me to Rio.
Love it.
That way you could put me in the trunk if you wanted to.
You could. It's
Nice.
possible. Doodle doodle, kids.
Nice.
Nice. Very cool. All right.